What is up, guys? Brittech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your ringtone on iPhone 12. So let's get into it. Go ahead and go to your settings and scroll down to sounds and haptics and select it, and then go down to ringtone and select that. And once you do that, under store, you can see that they have the tone store, which is just iTunes store. And you can, set your ringtones to whatever you purchase from there. You can also download all purchased ringtones and have them on your phone to select from. And then you can just select from the simple ringtones as you see below, like Reflection, which is the default one for most iPhones. And yeah, guys, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.